Hi, to reset camera settings on your Vivo X100 Pro, we need to open camera first. Now we are in a photo mode, so we just need to take a look at this upper panel. Here we can see the settings icon, just tap it and then go in more settings. After that, scroll to the very bottom of the screen to check this reset option. So, if you messed up with adjustments or filters, for example, you can easily reset your camera to its default settings by pressing this button. Let's do it now. Here you can see this pop-up window in which you need to tap confirm and then agree with privacy statement here. And after that, select this agree option. Here we can select only this time, and now we just restore default settings. Let's just check it, press it again, here tap, and yeah, everything is restored to their default. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.